Hello children, how are you guys? Hope you are all fine and happy children. And we are going to start up with a new lesson. And this is the last lesson in the case of biology. Okay, and once this lesson is completed, we are going to what to tell, recall each and every lesson through test. Okay, again and again we are going to revise through the test. Okay, and this lesson is the last lesson of your content book, namely garbage in and garbage out. Okay, what is meant by garbage means waste. Okay, it may be the kitchen waste or any waste is called as the garbage. Okay, and about the garbage we are going to read in this lesson. Okay, see here, what is landfill? Landfill is an area where the garbages are collected from a city or town. Okay, landfill is an area from where the waste is collected. Okay, it is a filled area where the waste is collected from city or town. Okay, and it is dumped. And this area, in later time, it will be converted into park. Okay, so it's very simple. It is a piece of land, okay, where the waste will be dumped in. Okay, and then later on, that area may be converted into park is called as landfill. Okay, and this waste, okay, this waste we can convert these plant and animal waste, even which is from the kitchen, into manure. Okay, easily we can convert plant and animal waste, from the kitchen into manure, which is called as composing. It is called as composting. Okay, the conversion of animal and plant waste from the kitchen into manure is called as composting. Okay, see, like whichever vegetable waste is there, we just put it into the agricultural land, and if it is, in due course of time, if it becomes manure, it is nothing but the nothing but the composting. Okay, and for this composting, if you use earthworm, that is the red worm, it is called as vermicomposting. Okay, if we for converting the vegetable waste and animal waste, okay, into manure, if you use red worm, that is the earthworm, it is called as vermicomposting. Okay, and papers can be easily recycled. Okay, the papers, the papers which we are using, no, those papers can be easily recycled. Okay, about this you'll be reading it in detail in 7th standard. Okay, and what we can do, even the plastic, it can be brought into a less harmful substance, okay, by the process called as composting. Okay, plastic also can be converted into less harmful substance by the process called as composting. Okay, of course, the plastic is harmful. That can be become, we can convert that into less harmful by, by converting them into composting. Okay, and what happen? We can generate less waste. Okay, we can what we can do? We can generate less waste, and we can find the way to increase the amount of garbages in our surrounding. If if it is more agricultural waste, and if it is more animal and the plant waste, it is called as the organic manure. And now we are all fond of organic vegetables, right? Yeah, from the kitchen garden the waste will be thrown into our garden. I mean, from our kitchen we'll be throwing the waste into the kitchen garden, and from there the manure it's produced, and that manure will help in growing the plant in an effective way. Okay, then what happens, we get good organic food. So what we can do, we need to generate less waste, and so that the we can find the way in dealing the increased amount of garbages in our surrounding. Okay, so when we use less waste, what we can do, we can increase the amount of, we can increase the, we can find a way how we can, avoid increasing of garbages in our surrounding. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.